Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to The Treehouse Show. The Treehouse Show is our weekly conversation with the Treehouse community. In this episode, we'll be talking to the Treehouse teacher, tech degree success manager, and all-around great guy, Dave McFarland. Thanks for being on the show today, Dave.
It is a pleasure to be here, Craig.
Can you tell us a little bit about how you got into technology?
Yes. So when I was in college, I was actually an English major. I had a job in the library in the Multimedia Center, it was called, yes. And one of the things that I did was took care of the computers where people learned and did training. They did desktop publishing, and I actually got into desktop publishing. That was the first thing.
What's that? What is desktop
Oh, yeah, right. That's an older thing.
Right.
So that was actually the design of things that are printed, not on the internet, but actually things you hold, like books or magazines, newspapers, newsletters. And I did that actually after college. I was a what they call pre-press person. So I worked at a print shop, and I used computers to lay out stuff to get it printed. From there, I became a designer and a graphic designer and an art director. Went to a small nonprofit, and they needed a website. This was in the very early days of the web, 1995, actually.
Okay. I can imagine what that website looked like.
It was great. Yeah. It was a beautiful, beautiful website. It was amazing. Tables, all table-based.
Yeah.
You know, if you even know what that is. But from there, I actually moved to UC Berkeley as the webmaster. That was my title, and I managed the university kind of front portal. Met some people, moved to the computer science department, left college, left the university, and started up a web development company with a few other people, and did that for a while. Got into teaching. So I was teaching at art schools and at graduate level and undergraduate level in colleges, and started writing books. And then basically taught and wrote books and did sort of freelance web development for many years.
Okay, cool. That's great. Yeah. What do you teach here at Treehouse? Where will the students meet you?
Oh, where will they meet me? I'm all over the place, but mostly in JavaScript. So I'm the teacher that they start off with mostly, with JavaScript, and I introduce the language, and that's kind of what I teach,
Okay. Do you teach anything else on the site?
Yeah, I have a Git workshop that I do.
Git's the...
Yeah, Git is a, what is it? It's a version control system.
Okay.
And GitHub is a very popular sort of public repository of different code bases that people write. They can share code, work on projects together. A lot of open source projects are on there. So I've taught that as well here.
Oh, awesome. Yeah. Great. So outside of what the students can learn from you, is there something else that you could show or share with the students? What's something they wouldn't know about you?
Yeah, well, not a lot of people know that I'm really good at magic. Well, I do magic. I want to say I'm really good. Well, no, there was nothing there a second ago. It appeared magically. But so I was wondering maybe we could do a little thing. I've always wanted to show off in front of an audience.
I would love to. Let's do this. Let's do this, right?
So I got a deck of cards. 52 cards in a deck, right? So the odds of any one card is 1 in 52. But the thing is, when you ask people like, "Hey, what's your favorite card?" Whatever, or pick a card out of thin air, out of your mind. It's never random. There's usually 1 or 2 that are most popular.
Sure.
So what do you think is like most popular?
If I had to guess, I'd say probably the Ace of Spades, right?
Yes. Ace of Spades is the most popular card. Okay. So what I want to do is a little experiment here with you. And why don't you hold out your hand flat, and I'll put the cards here in your hand.
Yep.
And we're going to do something together. I'd like you to take half those cards and put them into my hand here.
Half of these cards. There we go.
Yeah, about half of them. That's good. And what were we thinking of? We were thinking of the Ace of Spades.
The Ace of Spades.
Okay.
Yeah. So
what other cards might we work with that would help us do some magic?
Like the 2.
The 2?
The 2 of diamonds.
Right, we could do that. Or how about 2 aces? Why don't we try doing that?
Okay.
Yeah,
let's get that.
Let's do that. Why don't you just flip through your cards and find a card, something that you feel, a feeling that you have. And I'm going to find, this one feels really good to me. It's all by intuition.
So I got to use my intuition?
Yeah.
This
Pick
one
of
for
those.
sure.
And they just sort of, okay. I'll take that. And you take this one.
Okay.
All right, so let's exchange. Just put them on top.
Put it on top? Okay.
Yeah. And what did you say the most popular card was?
Ace of spades is
Yeah,
what I think.
let's see what I gave you.
How did you...
Yeah, the ace of spades. Let's see what you gave me. Whoa, we got 2 aces out of 52 cards on our very first try. What do you say? Let's do it again.
Okay.
Let's do it again. We got 2 aces. Do you think we can get 4 aces?
There's no way that we can get...
There is no way we can get 4 aces? No. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I think there is a way that we can get 4 aces. I think it's by concentrating. That's how we're going to get our 4 aces. So let's do the same thing. But concentrate harder this time, because it's going to be twice as hard.
All right.
I got a card for you. You got a card for me?
I'm feeling this one right here.
Okay. All right, great. I'm going to take that. Why don't you take that one?
Okay.
Yeah.
I put it on top again?
Yeah, put it on top. And then, what do you think?
That's
1
good.
out of 52, 1 out of 52, 1 out of 52, 1 out of 52. Let's see.
Dude, how'd you do that?
What's more amazing about this is not only did we get the 4 aces, but we got the only 4 cards in the entire deck. All the other cards are completely blank.
How did you do that? Where did you... Thanks for watching the Treehouse Show. If you'd like to get in touch with the show, please reach out to me on Twitter or hit us up in the forum.